In a time of turmoil and ambition, two powerful factions clashed in a battle that would forever change the course of history, shaping the very foundations of an empire. As dawn broke, the air was thick with tension and anticipation, each soldier knowing that their valor would determine not just their fate, but the destiny of the empire they served. Amid the clash of steel and cries of valor, every swing of the sword echoed the hopes and dreams of those who fought each battle cry, a rallying call to defend their beliefs and homeland. As the dust settled and silence enveloped the ground, the echoes of the clash faded, and amidst the sorrow a new chapter began for the empire, one forged in blood and bravery. In the years that followed, the tale of the battle resonated through generations, becoming a symbol of resilience and unity, immortalizing the sacrifices made for the creation of an enduring empire. Histories were penned and legends emerged from the ashes of conflict, reminding all who came after them of the courage displayed and the price paid for the empire's glory.